welcome to another problem. Let's solve this together. We have here a math Olympiad problem. Determine the value of v in the given equation. 81 raised to v plus 81 raised to v plus 81 raised to v equals 243 raised to v minus 1. Again, our goal is to find the value of v such that the equation holds. So in our solution here, we have to take the common factor at the left side of the equation. So the common factor is 81 raised to v, because if you are going to distribute this one inside the parentheses, it will give you the original equation. Then the next step here, you have 81 raised to v times 3, because 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then express both sides of the equation into powers of the same basis. That is, for 81 raised to v, you have 3 raised to 4, then raised to v times 3 equals 3 raised to 5 raised to v minus 1. Then apply a law of exponents. If a power is raised into another power, multiply the powers just like this. In this particular problem, we have 3 raised to 4b, because 4 times b, 4b. Then 5 times b minus 1, you have 5v minus 5. So we can see that both sides of the equation are expressed into powers of the same basis. Now, here we have at the left side 3 raised to 4v times 3. So again, we can apply a law of exponents, no? A law of the exponents, that if you are going to multiply powers of the same basis, all you have to do is add the exponents. Here we get 3 raised to 4v plus 1, because this 3 right here is understood to have an exponent of 1. That's why we have 4v plus 1 equals 3 raised to 5v minus 5. Then, since the equations in both sides of since both sides of the equations are expressed into powers of the same basis, equate the exponents. So in here we have 4v plus 1 equals 5v minus 5. So we can use this equation. We have to manipulate this one. So we get here, we have to solve for v. You subtract both sides by 5v and 1. So we have 4v minus 5v plus 1 minus 1. We simply apply here subtraction property of equality. It says that whatever is subtracted from the left is also used to subtract at the right, and the equation still holds. So we have here 4v minus 5v plus 1 minus 1. So the right side you have 5v minus 5v minus 5 minus 1. So 4v minus 5v, that is just equal to negative v, plus 1 minus 1, that's 0. Then 5v minus 5v, that's 0. Negative 5, negative 1, that is negative 6. Then multiplying both sides by negative 1, we get v equals 6. Now, that we have the value of v, it doesn't mean that we have to end here. We have to check if this 6 is really the value of v in the given equation. Now, in checking, we do not have to use the original equation. We don't have to get the sixth power of 81 because that is too large. What we have is to find out if both sides of the expressions will hold if v is replaced by 6. So here we have here replace v by 6, then express both sides of the equation into powers of the same basis. This 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to 4. And this 243 is 3 raised to 5. Then apply some laws of the exponents. For this, power raised into another power, you multiply 4 times 6, that is 24. Then 5 times 5, because 6 minus 1 is 5. That is why it is 5 here. Then 243 is the fifth power of 3. So you have 5 times 5, that is 25. Now, the law of exponents says that if you are going to multiply powers of the same basis, you have to add exponents. So this is understood to have a power of 1. This is 24. So 24 plus 1, you have 3 raised to 25. The left is equal to 3 raised to 25 at the right. Hence, V equals 6 makes the equation true.